In this video, we're going to take a look at the training module and in-service option. This is going to be a quick tour just to show you some highlights of what you can do in StationSMARTS and what's available for you for tracking. So the first piece that we're going to take a look at is the training module. Within the training module, we give you class templates that are available for you to be able to record information on that class. And a part of this is the standard tracking. So this allows you to keep track of which standards that class is meeting. And then later we can run reports for you on which classes that have been run and whether those standards have been met, how many hours were met, and that type of information. We can also schedule the class through this view, which would allow you to record the date, the time, or the duration. You've got different notes and abilities, and you can also assign it to personnel. Once you choose someone to assign it to, it's also available for you to post to the employee record directly from there. Back on the main menu, we'll take a look at the employee record, and this is going to allow you to track the training piece. Once all training has been finalized, this is where it goes, and this is where you can actually run reports from those permanent records. And this is also where you can record certifications and dates. So if there's some type of certificate that you want to keep track of, when it was received, when it expires, this is where you could record that information and also store a certificate of completion or pictures of the front and back of a license or card that they may have received as well. Back on the main menu, our information console follows along with that information. So in the employee tab, you can track which of those pieces is going to be expiring soon, so we could look 60 days ahead, 30 days ahead, whatever we wanted to do there for certifications and also for driver's licenses. And then for the training piece, we could see which training is posted this month, what's been posted to the employee record, so you can see these are all submitted. We could look for not submitted, and there are none currently scheduled. And then we can see in the training under the training button on the main menu, we've got that personnel report. Now this is available from the main menu for quick access, but if you click the advanced search option, it's going to take you to the button that's available within the training module as well. So you can see we were just here on this training tab. There's that print button. So this is the same thing, just a little bit more variability that's available here. You can pick between all of your employees, search for a specific set, choose the format or a particular training, and you also choose the date range. And then when you create that report, it's going to run a report of all of that training. Back on the main menu, we have the in-service piece. There's a lot of overlap here with what's available in the training module itself, but this essentially allows you to track training that's already been done. So if you're not a department that schedules a lot of training, more likely you are doing training and then recording it afterwards, then this piece allows you to very quickly record that training via the training name, put in some details, put in the number of hours, and if you have on-duty personnel on your roster, you can pick from those names as well. And then we can click continue, and it creates that entry for us. Everything automatically fills in for us. If we had chosen names, that would fill in as well. And then we have an option here at the bottom to also insert information on a file. Once everything is filled in appropriately, then you can insert into the employee training from here, just like you can for the scheduled training. This has been a quick look at the training module and some of the pieces that you're able to do with it. Broadcasting is also available from the activity tracker if you want to let everyone know about training that you've scheduled. But this is just a quick look at those pieces. If you have questions, let us know. You can also view further videos on our YouTube channel at StationSMARTS.